Clean anywhere, anytime with the HOOVER ONEPWR blade, Hoover's best cleaning cordless stick vacuum. It gives you the ultimate freedom and versatility you need to clean all of life's messes without being tethered by a cord. Blade's multi-surface brush roll cleans messes across hard floors, carpet, and rugs throughout your home, while the dual cyclonic dust vault system captures the dust, dirt, and pet hair with no loss of suction. And since Blade is powered by the exclusive removable, rechargeable ONEPWR battery, simply swap and go for up to 70 minutes of powerful, fade-free cleaning. Plus, you can easily transition to handheld mode to leave no surface untouched, from the stairs to the ceiling or wherever else the dirt's hiding. And with a completely removable dirt cup, cleanup is seriously easy from start to finish. Best of all, Blade is part of the ONEPWR system. This innovative family of high-performance cleaning tools is powered by the same ONEPWR battery to give you continuous, whole home cleaning inside and out. Clean longer and go farther with the HOOVER ONEPWR Blade cordless stick vacuum.
The HOOVER ONEPWR FloorMate Jet is a revolutionary hard floor cleaner and area rug refresher that vacuums and washes at the same time for fast and easy one-step cleaning. For big spills, dried-on disasters, or everyday messes, simply use the trigger and spray clean nozzle to spray as much or as little solution directly onto the floor. Then its microfiber brush roll washes and scrubs while powerful suction picks up the debris and dirty water, leaving your floors clean and dry in no time. And with its 2-tank system, you're always cleaning with fresh water and solution. And FloorMate Jet is cordless, powered by the removable, rechargeable ONEPWR battery, so you're never stranded in the middle of a job. Finally, there's an easy way to vacuum and wash your floors in one easy step. The HOOVER ONEPWR FloorMate Jet, part of the HOOVER ONEPWR cordless cleaning system.